They say there's a first for everything, so how about unboxing a loot box in real life? Hey, it's Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? Let's unbox this super special edition of the Oppo Find X2, League of Legends World's S10 edition. A couple of things that I need to make clear as I'm starting out this video. This is the Oppo Find X2, not the X2 Pro, but it is the special League of Legends S10 edition. Now, I don't play League of Legends. I played it like one time back in college, but I know it's a super popular game, and right now, on October 31st in Shanghai, they are having the League of Legends World Esports Tournament. It's actually the finals that are happening right now, which makes this a pretty appropriate unboxing to do right now, to kind of celebrate reaching the finals. And if you're watching it, let me know how it goes in the comments down below, I guess. But honestly, how could I deny an opportunity to unbox such a unique looking phone? I mean, just look at the box itself. You almost get the feeling that it's going to shake and explode to show me what's inside, but we know what's inside. It's a special edition of the Find X2. Also, I'm not going to go deep into the actual specs and performance and review this actual device because it is the Oppo Find X2 through and through. It just has a different coat of paint, it has a very different design, and it also has elements installed in the ColorOS 7, which allow it to look more like a League of Legends device. So why don't I just let you enjoy the unboxing? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. You enjoyed this unboxing while I put some epic music in the background to match this occasion. Seriously, how dope is this phone? This is one of the best looking phones that I have seen here in 2020. Yes, it is because of a game that I might not play, but you know what? If I saw this in the wild, I would really raise my eyebrows to it and go, you know what? I might actually pick that up. Now, this phone does have a Chinese ROM on it. It's not going to have any of the software that I would need in order to use it on the daily, which is why I'm not going to do full coverage on this device. We are just going to enjoy together this really cool looking version of this phone. Gold and blue with those fantasy themes from League of Legends really coming through. It obviously says Worlds on the back because that is the competition that this special edition is for. And as the Oppo Find X2, you have the same camera hump, only now it has the gold around it. And yeah, the design just screams gamer, but if you're a big fan of League of Legends, this might be the device that you have been waiting for. The Find X2 Pro is one of our favorite phones from 2020, and the Find X2, even though it doesn't have some of the higher end features, it's still a fantastic phone with the Snapdragon 865 in here, which will be able to play the upcoming mobile version of League of Legends. And when that version comes out, who knows, I might actually get into it and this would be the perfect phone to play it on. So you see just how far Oppo went to make this such a unique experience with the Find X2. Even the accessories are different. You have the logos, it says Takeover on the earbuds that are included. The cable is also golden blue with this braided material. Then you have the fast charging, the VOOC fast charging brick, which has the logo on there as well. And of course, the actual box itself had to be like super epic. And you know what? Originally, I was just going to get some photos and a little bit of video of this phone and put it on my social media. But once I went through the entire experience of unboxing this edition of the phone, I was like, you know what? This thing does deserve its own video because just look how awesome this thing is. I hope we see more and more special edition phones like this coming out. This one in particular would set you back about $750 US, but of course, it is only available in specific markets like China. So a shout out to Oppo for offering to send one of these to me. I feel very privileged to even have this in my hands. I usually don't get these super special editions of these different phones, so you know what? If I'm going to get into League of Legends eventually with the mobile edition, I might as well have the right phone for the job. But with all of that said, we're going to go ahead and call it on this one. I hope you enjoyed just this fun unboxing. Sometimes we just do light videos just so we can enjoy what is right in front of us, and that's exactly what this video was. Let me know what you think of this edition of the Oppo Find X2 in the comment sections down below. Yeah, and if you're watching Worlds, let me know how it's been going, and if you have any tips for a newbie like me that might be getting into League, I don't know, maybe just give me some info in the comments down below for that as well. At the very least, drop some likes on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. With all of that said, I'm going to go ahead and call it on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and enjoy your tea, everybody.